In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people to Workspace on Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite teammates, choose the right type of invite for internal or external collaborators, and confirm that your invitations went through. Before we start, a quick heads up. You'll need the correct permissions in your Slack workspace to send invites. Some organizations restrict who can invite new members or require admin approval, especially for external guests. If you see any prompts about that, just follow your company's policy. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Slack's login page. If you're already signed in, Slack will recognize your account. On the landing screen, click Open to proceed. This tells Slack which workspace you want to work with and gets you into the right place so you can send your invitations. Next, choose the correct workspace from your list. If you're a member of several workspaces, make sure you pick the one where your new teammate should join. Click the workspace name to launch it. Taking a second to verify the workspace here, avoid sending invites to the wrong team or environment. If Slack offers you a choice, select Use Slack in your browser. This opens the workspace right in your current tab and works perfectly for sending invites. If you prefer the desktop app, you can use that too, but continuing in the browser is simple and consistent for this walkthrough. Inside the workspace, look for the option to invite teammates. You'll usually find this at the top of the left sidebar or near the main header area. Click it to open the invitation window. This is your control center for bringing new people into the workspace and deciding what kind of access they should have. Click into the field that prompts you to enter names or email addresses. Type the email address of the person you want to invite. As you type, Slack will suggest inviting that exact email. Click the suggestion to confirm, then click Add to place that address into your invite list. If you need to invite multiple people, you can repeat this process for each email and build a small list before sending. Be sure to double check for typos now, because an incorrect address won't receive the invite. You may see options that distinguish between inviting someone from an external organization versus inviting someone within your own organization. Choose the external organization option if you're collaborating with a partner, vendor, or client through Slack Connect. If instead you're adding a coworker who should become a regular member of your workspace, switch to your organization. When you've selected the right category for your invitees, click Next to continue. This helps ensure the invite carries the proper permissions and routing. If you land on a screen you don't actually need, simply click Cancel to return to the previous step. It's normal to back out if you realize an invite type isn't the right fit. When everything looks correct, your list of emails is accurate, and the organization setting is what you want, go ahead and click Send Invitations. Slack will send an email with a link your invitees can use to join. After you send, look for the confirmation message that indicates your invitations were sent successfully. Click that confirmation to review the status. If you see the invited person listed, click their email address to open more details. Then, click the Info option to view the invitation panel, which can show you status information like whether the invite is pending. When you're done reviewing, click Done to close the panel. That's it. Your invitations are on their way, and your new teammates can join as soon as they accept. If you ever need to make changes later, you can revisit the same invite area to send additional invites, or, depending on your permissions, check on pending ones.